The rumored Game of Thrones spin-off series about Jon Snow is more than just a rumor, according to Emilia Clarke. The 35-year-old actress told BBC News that her former co-star, and on-screen lover/relative, Kit Harington confirmed to her that he's playing Jon Snow again in a new show. "He has told me about it. And I know it exists. It's happening," Emilia told the publication. Emilia, who starred as Daenerys Targaryen in all 8 seasons of HBO's blockbuster series, shared a bit more about the upcoming spin-off centered around Jon Snow. "It's been created by Kit as far as I can understand, so he's in it from the ground up. So what you will be watching, hopefully, if it happens, is certified by Kit Harington," she shared. Also in the interview, Emilia, who is set to star in the upcoming Marvel miniseries Secret Invasion, was asked if she'd ever reprise her role as the Mother of Dragons in a future Game of Thrones project. "No, I think I'm done," she told BBC with a laugh. News of the Jon Snow spin-off series came from The Hollywood Reporter on June 16. Per the report, HBO is in early development on the sequel series with Kit, 35, set to return as his iconic character, for which he received 2 Emmy Award nominations during Game of Thrones' run. Author and GOT creator George R.R. Martin also confirmed the spin-off series in a June 23 blog post. "Yes, there is a Jon Snow show in development," he said, adding that THR's story was largely correct. George also revealed that the spin-off series' working title is Snow. In August, the GOT prequel series, House of the Dragon, will premiere on HBO. The show takes place 200 years before the events of the flagship series and is all about the rise and fall of Daenerys' ancestors, the Targaryen family. Paddy Considine stars as King Viserys Targaryen, the 5th Targaryen king to sit on the Iron Throne.